Hi, I'm Amanda Boone, a math specialist for Allegheny County Public Schools. Today I'm going to model multiplying multi-digit numbers. After students have had the opportunity to build an array with manipulatives, we can transition to drawing arrays. To draw my array, my ones I will represent with a dot, my tens I will represent with a line, and my hundreds I will represent with a square. To find the product of 34 times 22, the first thing I'm going to do is model 34 using my base 10 blocks. I will begin with my 10 rods. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now I can model 22 horizontally. 10, 20, 21, 22. To keep my space neat, I can draw lines to separate my factors, 34 and 22, from my product, or my answer, which will be in the middle. To begin, I'm going to multiply my tens. 10 times 10 is 100. I will draw a hundreds plot. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 1 is 10, and 10 times 1 is 10. I will multiply my next 10. I will now multiply my last 10. Now I can multiply my ones. 1 times 10 is 10, which I will draw this 10 rod horizontally. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. I will now repeat that for my last three ones. Now that I have drawn my array, I can count my base 10 blocks in the middle, which will be my final product. I'll begin with my hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. I can now count my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. And I can count my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can add these partial products together to get my final product. When I'm adding in the ones place, I will have 8 ones. In my tens place, I have 4 tens. And in my hundreds, I have 7 hundreds. 34 times 22 is 748.